Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to restore your original settings in Avast Secure Browser. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your original settings in Avast Secure Browser. So, this is very useful if you don't like the settings that you want and you don't know, and you just try to edit your settings and it becomes messed up and everything's going here, there, and everywhere. So, video will be helpful for you. So, the first thing you need to do is open up your Avast Secure Browser. Once your Avast Secure Browser is now open, click on the top right corner on the three dots. There you go. After clicking on that, click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, just go down, go to the bottom. There you go. Once you're here, you will see Restore Settings to the original default, and then click on it. After clicking on it, it will give you this message: Reset Settings. This action will reset some Avast Secure Browser settings and Avast Secure Browser shortcuts, disable extension, delete cookies and other temporary sites data, bookmark history and save password won't be affected. So there we go. And then just click reset settings. There you go. Just wait for it. Then there you go. Your Avast Secure Browser has now been reset. And a little bit of tip for you guys, you don't have to just scroll down like that. You can go to the left side corner and just click reset settings. System, then click reset and you'll be here. You can see. There you go guys. Or you can just search right here. Reset settings. So I hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.